Someone who made the best investment in the market last year almost chose the worst this year. And they probably haven't realized it yet. In 2025, gold was the undisputed champion among all investment vehicles. It yielded returns of up to 66%. Millions of investors saw this, turned to gold as a safe haven, and gold purchases reached record levels. It seemed logical. Investing in the best performing asset of the previous year sounds like a safe strategy. But what happened in 2026 completely shattered that logic. Gold yielded only 8 to 11% this year, about a tenth of last year's. As the dollar strengthened, gold's appeal diminished. So last year's champion couldn't even deliver a decent performance this year. So who is the real winner this year? Something nobody could have predicted a year ago. Commodities, especially oil. A conflict erupting in the Middle East cut off a crucial oil shipping route. This single event sent oil prices soaring by 87%, making the commodities category the clear leader this year with a 39% return. Meanwhile, U.S. stocks, considered the safest, have only gained 10.5% over the S&P 500 index, a mediocre mid-year performance. Even more surprisingly, emerging markets, once considered over, have delivered returns of over 20% for the second consecutive year, over 33% last year and over 22% this year. A category ignored for a decade has quietly been among the top performers for 2 years. As for bonds, they have yielded almost no returns this year, or are even slightly losing value. Holding cash has only yielded around 2%, lagging behind inflation. Now let's step back and look at the bigger picture. Gold was the champion of 2025, and oil and commodities are the champions of 2026. There is nothing in common between the two. This is no coincidence. It's a pattern that the investment world repeats almost every year. Predicting one year's winner says nothing about next year's winner. The reason is simple. The events that determine each year's winner are unpredictable. A war, a central bank decision, a currency exchange rate movement. Nobody can know these things for sure a year in advance. Therefore, the smart strategy isn't find last year's winner and invest in it. The smart strategy is to diversify your money across different categories, because even experts can't reliably predict which category will win this year. Stay asset.